So let's jump right into the 5 different parts of luxury cannabis. First one's going to be your smell. First thing you want to do when you look at cannabis is you're going to smell it. In addition to the smell, the next thing is going to be your bag appeal or the look. What color's the weed? What's the crystals look like? How are the nugs shaped? Do they have nodules coming off or are they smooth and rounded? Not that one's better than the other, but sometimes those extra curves in there, you can see the intricacies of the nug. What does the frost look like? What is the combination of red hairs, frost, and purple and green? All this combined, the ratios of that. How does that look? So your look is not necessarily directly correlated to the effects of it, although it kind of is. Sometimes purple weed can be distinguished as a higher myrcene, which is going to give it more of a couch lock effect. Sometimes visually people will see this and without understanding why they'll gravitate towards it, but it's really their subconscious mind knowing that they're going to get a better effect out of the purple stuff. There is an inherent value to the color as well. So the other aspect when you're checking out the weed, you got the bag appeal, the smell. The next is touch. And touch is important because we're tactile people. All 5 of our senses really matter. For touch, you want the nugs to be dense, but not too dense. You still want a little sponginess to them, but you want a good type of sponginess where it's not really that spongy at all. You want it to be pretty tight. In my experience, solid nugs have good taste. They roll good. They smoke good. So if they're too fluffy and larfy, they're not going to taste good. The joint's going to be flimsy. You're not going to burn right. Dense nugs all the way through to the end. That's why your touch matters.